So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run this scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in proxy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have automatically detect settings turned off. And then next to use a proxy server, you're going to click on setup. Make sure you also have this turned off as well. And then click on save. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you're going to select use the following DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888. And you're going to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure your time zone is correct. You have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure your date and time is fully synced up. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh winsock reset and click on enter again. Now once you complete all these steps, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.